Hello from Slovenia again. They are my scrape offs and I put them on my canvas that it didn't sell, so I will pour over, so we will recycle and add a new life to that. So my plan is, because I did 3 paintings with the same color, the same technique, just with the little tweaks, different shapes and a little different pouring, different racking, because I will do ragged string pour, ragged straight pour. So I will layer my cup, and this is manganese blue. I like that effect of the kind of a sky. Pearl white, and then phthalo blue. Maybe I should go like that. Like that. And this is Aqua Flash by Folkart, and I will add permanent green blue and some pearl white again. Pearl white for some effects, for some nice featherings. Yellowish green. I added greenish blue first. Didn't mean to, but now I did. And this is manganese. Some pearl white again. Greenish blue. It will be okay anyway. Hope so. Prussian. Aqua Flash. Permanent green deep. And I will end up, and because today I have a rectangle canvas and I want I will pour fast first from up high, then I will come closer to the detailed middle. I hope so. I will probably go a little here and there first, and then I will pour just in the middle. So let's do that. Now I will start to jiggle, because I want my featherings here that I will rack. Be careful here at the end that you will not drip somewhere that you don't want to. Okie doke. And now I will, as I mentioned in previous pour, every time that I do a straight pour I like it, but the middle always bothers me, and with this one rack I think that I just get rid of that I don't like. Maybe I will do some racks here and not here. So I will tilt this a little bit, and then I will spin it out. Just want this to be kind of covered. guys. We have a lot of snow. Let's do one spin and then we will think about the composition. Okay, so I covered my sides here. Now I want to tilt that a little bit and I will walk down, because you see my sides there are not covered yet. And I will put my canvas a little more to that side and do a spin. Then we will think further what I want. So I almost covered my sides, so we are good with that. But still I want to work on the composition a little bit. I want to bring that dark Prussian blue a little more towards the edge. So I'm walking, walk like an Egyptian. Do you remember that song? Probably you do if you are not too young for that. Okay, so just want to get rid of that was there. Now I will come back to the middle. Okey-doke. Now I kind of want to go a little bit of this off. Okay. Back to the middle, and while I'm doing that I'm opening those lines a little bit too that I really like. I like that blue solid space there, that you have something that your eye can rest on. And yeah, I will call it done. I don't know, I should call this Kilimanjaro. I don't know why. Reminds me of Kilimanjaro. My brain is weird sometimes. Torch. And because of the pearl white, I will get a little more reaction while drying. Yeah, I'm happy. Check the sides, check the corners. They have to look nice. They have to match your painting. And I'm done. So I like this orientation the most because it kind of reminds me of a pond and two palm leaves here or whatever leaves, I don't know. See, this part here looks like very 3D because of the pearl white effects. Yeah, I like this one. It has such a depth. It's almost, you know, drag you in this middle. Yeah, so this was it for today, and see you again on the next one. Bye!